Alright, here we did a sewer repair, a liner from the front clean out up to the city, and I'll show you the end result. So it's kind of hard to see. There's the end of the liner. Probably get a better picture of what's going on. Pull back. So there's one last turn, then it dips down, and so there's the city. We are about 6 inches from the main. So yeah, there was a bunch of Orangeburg in here, went out, there were holes, there's another turn, so it dips down, and there's a bunch of cavities, dirt, we jetted it out, and there's Orangeburg, so it was getting bad, but we were able to squeeze a liner through all the damage. You can see it's nice and round. You might be able to see a little bit of a dimple right in through here if you looked hard. There's a pretty big chasm there. Maybe it's in there. There's a couple of them where the pipe had completely gone out, so it was an ideal repair to go from the house to the city. So yeah, a bunch of 4-inch, 60 feet of 4-inch, and 4 feet of 6-inch is what the total of material used was. So 64 feet of pipe lined in total. I think this is also where one of the cavities was. You can see it kind of a ridge in there, but looks great, looks really good. And there was various other little holes throughout the pipe we covered up, so looks really good. More damage was in there. It was just starting to give out right through there. You can see it. Started the liner just right after the clean out to cover up all that Orangeburg. You can hardly see the start of it. And here's the front clean out access.